Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to this channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about how you can, friends, delete someone from a group in the Snapchat app. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel before watching this video, put your likes, and also please write comments. Alright, let's get us started. And find and open the Snapchat app on your device. Now at the bottom, go straight to the chat option. At the top, click on the Groups section. And now open the group you want. Next, Friends, at the top, tap on the group name. Then scroll through and find the Group Members section. For you to be able to delete someone, you will need to tap and hold on the person. After that, you will see the option Remove from Group. Click on it. And please confirm your actions again by clicking on the word Remove. That's how quick and easy you will be able to remove someone from the group in Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you around, friends.